Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll show you how to set up and connect the EL-SIE-1 to a PC or Mac. Before setting up, ensure the batteries are inserted. Use the picture on the base as a guide. To do so, you'll need the device, two AAA batteries and a screwdriver. Loosen the screws and remove the end cap. Fit the batteries in the orientation shown on the label. Then replace the end cap and tighten the screws carefully until secure. Then connect the device up to your computer using the included USB-A to USB-C cable. Open a web browser and type easylog.local into the address bar. You will see the EL-SIE page loading. While this happens, it's a good idea to save the address to your favourites or bookmark it. There are three selections on the main screen. These are Quick Start, this is using the current settings to start logging. Custom Setup, configure all the settings and start the logger or import settings. And View/Save Data. Here you can save data from the logger, view the dashboard, view recordings in a graph, and log events. We're starting from scratch, so we'll select a custom setup and configure all the settings. The first screen is to configure data logger settings. The first step is to name the device and select the sample rate from 10 seconds up to 24 hours. Next is LED mode. Select between Disable LED, LED always flashing, flash only when alarming, or always on. We've selected alarm only. The third step is LED screen settings. Select between always on or on at button press. For battery life conservation, we have selected button press. The last step on this screen before selecting next is the ability to turn the sounder on or off. This next page is the device's channel settings. The device is temperature only, but we can select the temperature scale between Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. The next two selections are alarms. Pressing the orange Enable button will turn the alarms on and allow them to be configured. For each of the alarms, you can set the alarm threshold, turn them on or off, select a trigger type, and delay if needed. We have set our alarm at 20 degrees for high and 10 degrees for low. The last screen is the start setting. Select between push to start, delayed start, immediate start, or triggered start. For each of these selections, the next step, including the addition of further parameters selections, will update below. So you will know exactly what you need to do. When selected, press Start Logging. We selected an immediate start, so our device will begin now. Once start has been selected, you are taken back to the dashboard. We'll now unplug the device and let it take some temperature readings. Our logger is collecting temperature data, and as per our selection, the LED light only illuminates when an alarm is occurring, and the screen is off until a button is pressed. Pressing a button reveals the temperature is above our 20-degree threshold. We'll have a look at some of the data we collected in the short time this logger was active. To do so, open the easylog.local dashboard. This time we'll go to View/Save Data and select Save Data. This downloads your logging information in an Excel format, which is great for data analysis and sharing. The top shows your logger information and channel type. The third group outlines the alarm threshold settings, and the last set is the reading number, date and time, and the temperature recorded. Another way to view data is through an instantly generated graph. Return to the dashboard and select View/Save Data, then select Graph View. A graph of your collected temperature information will appear with user-selectable filters and traces. This too can be saved and downloaded. Last of all, to stop the logger, simply return to the dashboard, then click Stop Logging. This logger and its online data storage is user-friendly, and the dashboard is incredibly straightforward to navigate. Having the ability to plug in and start your logger on any computer or access the saved data from any phone or PC is invaluable. If you'd like any more information or have any questions about this product, speak to an instrument choice scientist. Details are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.